Filler Friday. Gosh, how quickly has that come round again? So for the Filler Friday, I'm going to talk about the cheek filler. We've done down here, we've done about lips, we've done about lip lines, we've done the jawline and the neck, and I'm going to come up to the cheeks. There are different filler types that we can use. So there are different thicknesses, there are different viscosities that we can use. So you need to be educated in what type of filler you need to use and in what area that filler goes into, because that can make a significant difference to whether you're going to see the filler. It depends on what depth or layer of the skin you're going to go to. Now, when we're talking about the cheeks, there's two different parts that we can use. So we can either use the zygomatic area or the submalar area. So the submalar is the apple of your cheek, where we can sometimes get some flattening and you're able to see the ligament split down there where the fat pads separate. So we can go in there and we can fill that area and give what we call the beauty spot area to make this a little bit more plumper in the apple, and it's the beauty spot. We have to be very careful in this area, because if you overdo it in that area, you're gonna look like you're storing nuts in your cheeks. Your eyes are gonna be tiny and you're gonna look too big. So that is the discretion of the injector. The injector is there to guide you into how much that you need. And remember, if you're going to put high doses in at the beginning, you may get a satisfactory result, but 6 to 12 months later, when that filler has absorbed quite a lot of fluid, which is what hyaluronic acid fillers do, they attract up to 1,000 times the weight in water. So you could have 2 ml of filler put in, but 12 months later, you'll have the volume of 2 ml, because it's going to attract fluid, and you're not going to know the end result until you've waited. So patience is key with filler. You need to slowly catch a monkey. Slow and steady, and you should be under the guidance of an educated practitioner, a practitioner who is not only educated but also someone who's very experienced and has been doing it for a long time. So we've got the submalar, and usually I will treat that with cannula. So there's different devices that we can use to implant the filler in as well. In this area, I like to go in one little insertion hole inside with the filler, then we fill down that line where we have the break in the ligament. For the zygomatic bone area, I like to use needles straight down onto the bone, because this is where we use very thick filler, and we're going onto the periosteum. So we're going very deep onto 3 or 4 injections into that area, and that can give a highlighted look if you are lacking volume